Hi, everybody, and welcome back to FANG Friday. This is Ross Healy, the chairman of Strategic Analysis Corporation and a senior portfolio manager at McNichol and Associates Asset Management. Before I look at the FANGs, first, a note. This Sunday is your final day to sign up for our value investing webinar on January the 5th, 2024. We will be sending out an email with instructions the first week of January for those who did sign up by the deadline. Right now, we need to take a close look at those FANGs and what has been going on. But as always, before I do that, I'd like to say thanks to everyone who likes this video and all our subscribers. It really helps to grow our channel, and we appreciate it greatly. Well, let's start off with Amazon, which is it's just been clinging at that bubble price. Remember, it did that before, and then it kind of broke down momentarily, but it's right back there, clinging like cloth. But which way is it going to go? Wait and see. Alphabet, same story, a little bit wider of a bounce along its MSG price. That's 5.5 times its book value. But it is still waiting to give us an ultimate signal. The same goes for Meta, although Meta has actually been swinging either side of its mid-super growth price. That's 5.5 times book. So a little more indecisive, but nonetheless, it is kind of hanging in. Apple just been moving sideways. Microsoft, after what looked like a pretty strong move that would carry to its HB2, just stopped. And the past 2 weeks has been going nowhere as well. NVIDIA, same story, last couple of weeks, going nowhere. Okay, if it's going to do something, it'll be close at hand, because the HB6 would be a very, very important breakpoint. But until it breaks out, we can't say anything, and we certainly can't issue a buy signal on the stock. Tesla has been moving in a nice sideways band. They're between two breakpoints, the HB2 and the HB3, okay, or 12 and 16 times book value. Again, no resolution to that trading band. And finally, Netflix, which actually had been on a real tear after it reported superb earnings, suddenly just ran out of gas. Now, it's had a little fall and hook back, but like all of the rest of the FANGs, it's waiting for something. Now, to briefly summarize what happened last week, my summary this week is quick and easy. The Magnificent Seven are range-bound and remain in that modality despite those promising words from the Fed on Wednesday. As we just saw from the SVA charts, the FANGs are more or less in a holding mode. From their immediate price action, I am unable to elicit even a hint of an indication as to where these stocks want to go. Although, as I said at the outset, perhaps just hanging in there is a sign of some optimism. Even Netflix, which has been in a world of its own, has been stalling out. Its last quarter numbers gave it a new lease on life above its bubble price, or 7.4 times book. But lately, the stock has not been pushing forward to its HB1, as I would have thought, 9.5 times book, but it's showing a wait-and-see attitude as well. Anyway, there's no point in holding your breath. The next quarterly report is not until January the 21st. NVIDIA is the only immediate question mark because, as it turns out, with the new balance sheet in, it had not successfully challenged its HB6, that's 33 times book, which you will recall was the 24-year extreme valuation before it had a little short walk on the wild side to the HB7 before pulling back again. I'm not saying it can't do that again, but until it breaks out, I cannot issue a buy signal for the stock. For those who have signed up our value webinar, I'm looking forward to chatting with you very soon. Get ready. I think you will learn a lot from this unique SVA analysis. For now, this has been Ross Healy, the Chairman of Strategic Analysis Corporation and a Senior Portfolio Manager at McNichol & Associates Asset Management, reminding you that nothing, including investing, is difficult if you have the right tools. I'll see you next Friday.